something has arrived today. A bunch of dummies.
From Relay.
Yeah, from Relay. Oh, Vinted. Oh, this seller. If this seller has like a bunch more, like randomized. Now, I'm being with...
Aeronook.
Yes, Aeronook. This is a random lot. I have no... Ooh. Okay, so... First thing first, what I saw that kind of made me...
Oh, you're put out one of the covers.
A 95p.
Wow.
A 95p. Oh, it's glass. Hold on. Yeah, it's glass. Interesting. A 95p.
Well, that's nice.
Next. Okay, well, as promised. No1 Ultra.
No1 Ultra.
Ah.
Is it like a duplicate or?
No, it's an
something
actual
you don't
one.
have?
No, I don't have a duplicate. Also, I need to glue this back in. Probably shouldn't. Apparently the ends actually do come out. Not a big deal. No1 Ultra in my favorite color too.
Yeah, just try not to lose the little bit.
Okay, so I can put this aside to deal with later.
But you can hold it together. You can hold it together with tape for the time being.
True, but I can just like. Okay, so No1 Ultra. Yeah. Next. For crying out loud, another one of these stupid things. No20. Not a duplicate, but still.
I mean, it's in a nice. It's a nice color.
Next.
It's like a greenish, isn't it?
Huawei. P-Smart.
It is what it is.
Not that A95G. Okay. Oh.
You could pull the.
Oh, I'm happy.
You know, you're gonna be putting out like a 5-star review on the seller, I think.
Oh, for fuck's sake, another one of these. I can sell these.
Okay.
I have a duplicate of this.
Yeah.
G6
Well,
plus.
like the fun when you put it down, like
The
the
G6.
G6s are weird. Like, yeah, it's like glass on the back. It's not plastic, I don't think.
Ooh.
The original J6.
Made to improve.
Ooh. Yeah. For some reason, the original J6 is like plastic on the back, like, but it's not like the glossy kind of plastic. It's just matte.
Okay,
And the J6 Plus is
as I was promised, No1 Ultra.
in white.
And then No20 in green. Okay.
But you actually have the protective peel on it, so that's good.
S20FE.
Okay, not bad. I do like the wallpaper of the S20.
Then No10.
The regular note, not the plus?
Nah, just a No10. A9.
the one with the funny camera setup.
Of course. The more rarer one, of course, they threw in. Then Pixel 10.
Again, I think luck is on your side.
Wait, isn't Pixel 10 a latest model?
Yes.
Hold on, I got
Pixel 11 is
recent.
coming out like this year.
Yeah, I got the most recent Pixel then in my hand. Okay,
Yes.
fine, whatever. Another J4 Plus. Another J6 Plus.
F.
Oh my god, the wallpaper are so... They actually so same. J6 and J4 Plus are literally the same.
Yeah, that's one thing I've noticed.
A7.
Okay, that looks good. A little scratched up on the back, but it looks fine.
Xperia 10.
What is you? Oh, it's a Sony. It's a Sony.
Oh my god.
What is that Aura Globe?
The Note 10.
Oh, I like it. I like that. It's Note 10 Plus.
Yeah, it's a Note 10 Plus. Archie's phone. TCL 10 Pro. And the last one, S20 FE, another duplicate.
Yeah. Honestly,
I might actually buy another one. I might buy another lot. Oh, for him.
From the same seller?
Yeah.
Would be fun.
Oh, I am actually gonna do this. I'm gonna buy another lot just right now. If this is what I'm getting, a mixture of hey, there's not some decent, my guy.
Yes, there's the A80 and the two A90s.
Like I'm saying to you, that come on. I always wanted the A80, even in a dummy form. I just wanted some phone to show off. Oh, I'm pumped. I'm definitely buying another lot of this guy. Also, the Note 20 Ultra. I finally got a Note 20 Ultra. And the Note 10.
Colorways.
Yes, the two colorway. Unfortunately, the Note 10, Note 20. No, I didn't get a duplicate of Note 20s. S20 Pluses. Okay. S20 FEs. But I didn't get what I wanted. No, I lied. I have 3. No, that's a Note 20. Whoops.
I hope one of your dummies didn't press the space bar to stop recording.
No.
Is it still? It's still rolling.
Okay, I'm pumped. I'm happy. I'm happy with this. We order another one for next month. Special edition of the dummy unboxing. We'll see what we're gonna get.
Yep.
See ya!
See ya.
Thanks for watching to the end. Next on, whatever YouTube thinks is important. And here, you can subscribe. Or you can scroll down for more information.